All right. Hello, class. Today we will finally be starting the new math lesson, the new math unit. So now we're going to shift away from adding and subtracting. Now we're finally going to start counting money. That's exciting. Find the total value. How do you find the total value of a group of coins? So let's look. It says, read the problem. Jamal has 2 dimes and 3 nickels. What is the total value of his coins? So we have to draw coins and label the coins with 1 cent, 5 cent, or 10. All right, so Jamal has 2 dimes and 3 nickels. So I'm going to write Jamal. So I know this one is for Jamal. And it says he had 2 dimes and 3 nickels. So I'm drawing a dime. We're going to draw a circle. And a dime is worth how much? 10 cents. So I'm going to draw 10 cents in it. This is how a cent sign looks, guys. It's a C with a line through it, okay? So he has 2 dimes and 3 nickels. So 1 dime, 2 dimes, that's 2 10 cents, and 3 nickels. That's 1, 2, 3 nickels. And then I have to draw a what in them? 5 cents, because a nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. Pretty simple. Now we have to find the total value. Remember, I told you when we're adding coins, we always start counting with the coins with the largest value. So if I have 2 dimes, that's 10 plus 10 is 20. And then I have a 5. Well, 20 plus 5 is 25. And then 25 plus 5 is 30. And then 30 plus 5 is 35 cents. Okay, let's look at the next one. 3 nickels and 3 nickels and 3 pennies. So the next one, he has 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. And remember, nickels are worth how much? 5 cents. He has 3 nickels and 3 pennies, and each penny is worth how much? 1 cent. 1 cent. 1 cent. How much money does he have in all? Look, if you notice the pattern, these coins are already put in order from largest to smallest value. So we're counting by 5s here. Easy schmeezy, lemon squeezy. 5, 10, 15. Am I going to continue to count by 5s? No, because this is a cent. Now we're counting by 1s. 5, 10, 15. Now plus 1 is 16, 17, 18. So what's the total value, class? Good job. 18 cents. You cannot just say 18 or I'll assume they're dollars. You have to say in a complete sentence 18 cents. The last one says 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 1 penny. So we have 2 dimes. Those are 10 cents. 10 and 10. Three nickels, that's 1, 2, 3. Each nickel is 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, and 1 penny. A penny is 1 cent. Just going to go through and draw my little cent signs. They already have it in order from largest to smallest value. All I have to do is count. 10 plus 10 is 20, and now 20 plus 5 is 25, 30, 35, 36. So there is a total value of 36 cents. All right, pretty easy schmeezy, lemon. Yes, sir. Very cool. All right, let's keep going. A quarter has a total value of 25 cents. That means a quarter is worth 25 cents. Count by 25, count by tens, and then count by ones. Well, I know 25 plus 25 is 50, and then 50 plus a 10 is 60, plus another 10 is 70, plus a 1 is 71, plus another 1 is... So here the total value of these coins are 72 cents. So what they want us to do is they want us to write our counting on the line like they did. So the first coin here is a quarter. Very good. And a quarter is worth? So on the line you're going to write 25 cents. Then we're going to write a little comma. And then 25 and 25 make? 50. So now I'm going to write what? 50 cents. So what's the total value of these coins? 50 cents. And then it says, remember, the cent sign is, C with a line through it is a cent sign, 50 cents. All right, moving on. Here we have 3 quarters, and 3 quarters is how much? 75 cents. So the first one is 25 cents, comma what? Comma 50 cents, comma what? 75 cents. Now, hold on, now we're done with the quarters. Now we have a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents, so 75 plus 10 is 85 cents. And then 85 cents plus 1 penny is 86 cents. So we're going to write 86 cents here. I'm going to give you a minute to do number 3 on your own, and then we're going to go back and grade it together. You can pause the video now. All right, so if we go back and check number 3, our first coin is a quarter, and that's 25 cents, plus another quarter is 50, plus a nickel is 55, plus a penny 56, plus another penny 57 cents. 57 cents. All right, number 4, count on to find the total value. Now this is easy. 4 quarters is how many cents? It's 100 cents, and 100 cents is the same as $1. So how do we count this, Miss Yusuf? What do we write on the line? 25 cents, and then 50 cents, right? 2 quarters is 50 cents. 1 quarter is 25 cents. 2 quarters is 50 cents. 3 quarters is 75 cents. And then 4 quarters is 100 cents. And 100 cents is the same as $1, which is the same as $1. How do I write $1? You write a dollar sign, a 1, a decimal, and then a 0 and a 0. That dot is called a decimal. It separates the dollars from the hundreds. The dollars from the cents. All right. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to do number 5 and 6 on your own, and then we'll grade it together. You can pause the video now. All right, now if we look at it, this quarter, number 5, is 25 cents. Now, if I look at the second one, a lot of y'all are asking me, Miss Yusuf, is that a quarter? Yes, it is a quarter. This is how the back of some quarters look. Not all quarters have the same back. See how this one says Arizona? This one says New Mexico. This one says Texas. There's a lot of quarters that on the front, all quarters look the same. On the front, they all have this picture on it. But on the back, sometimes they put the different states on the back. And it doesn't make it a different value or a different coin. It just changes the design on the back. But if the front says Liberty on it, and it looks like this, then that's a quarter. So they're just trying to show you that. So this is 25, and this is another quarter, which makes 50 cents. And then plus a dime is 60, plus another dime is 70, plus another dime, plus a nickel is 75, plus another, I'll go back and do it, and plus another nickel is 80. So the total value is what? 80 cents. And yes, I forgot the cent sign. I didn't really forget it. I did that on purpose. I was going to go back and draw them in. All right. Let's look at number 6. Number 6. This is a quarter. That's 25 cents. Plus a nickel is 30 cents, right? This is a nickel, right? Yes, okay. Plus another nickel is 35 cents. Plus a penny is 36 cents, 37 cents, 38 cents. So the total value is what? 38 cents. Pretty easy, schmeezy, lemon squeezy. All right, let's watch Professor Berger. All right, close your books, please.
Hey, Jeannie, how's the store going?
Oh, hi, Professor Berger. I'm just closing up shop for the night.
Oh, fun. Hey, I wonder if you could help me with a little problem I'm having.
Oh, sure, anything for my favorite teacher.
Aw. Hey, I'm about to go home. I'm going to take the bus. But it turns out the bus doesn't take pennies, nickels, or dimes. And all I have, in fact, are pennies, nickels, and dimes.
Oh, would you like me to make some change for you?
Absolutely. I'd love for you to take all my pennies, nickels, and dimes and replace them with just one coin that has the same value as all of those coins combined.
Well, let me see what you've got.
Okay, here we go. So I've got a bunch of pennies. I've got 5 pennies. I've got 2 nickels. And I've got 1 lone dime.
But you can't get home with that.
No, none of those. So let's see how many I've got. So you know that every penny is worth 1 cent. And I see I've got 5 of them. So that means that we have a total value for the pennies of 5 cents.
Right.
Now, how much is each nickel worth?
5 cents.
That's right. And if I have 2 of them, what's 5 plus 5?
10.
Exactly. So the first one's worth 5, and the second one makes the whole thing worth 10. And of course, even I know a dime by itself is worth 10 cents.
That's right.
So let's see how much money I have all together in terms of the value. So I'm just going to add up. So I have 10 cents plus 10 cents, that's 20 cents. And 20 cents plus 5 cents is?
Oh, 25 cents.
25 cents. So I need one coin that actually has the value of 25 cents.
So you need a quarter.
That's exactly right. The value of all that change is actually equal to 1 quarter. You've solved the riddle.
Oh, thank you, Professor Berger.
My pleasure. And I hope you see the value of seeing the value of money.
Professor Berger.
Just 1 second. And if you actually are at home, you can actually take
Professor
the penny
Berger.
jar and count the money. And what is it, Jeannie?
Berger.
What?
Is that your bus?
I gotta get going. Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.
All right. All right, let's go back. Ed's coin has the same value as a group of 5 pennies and 4 nickels. What is his coin? It has the same value as 5 pennies and 4 nickels. Well, what is the value of 5 pennies and 4 nickels? 4 nickels, a nickel means each one is 5 cents. And if I have 4 of them, then I'm doing 5 times 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20. That means the 4 nickels is the same as 20 cents plus 5 pennies. Well, what's 20 plus 5? 25. So if I have one coin that's the same value as 25 cents, what coin is a 25-cent coin? A quarter. So what is his coin? 1 quarter. This is a Q for quarter. That was very easy. All right, Jeannie has 2 groups of coins. Each group has a total value of 51 cents. There is at least 1 quarter in each group. What coins should she have? So she has 2 groups. She has 1 group I'm going to draw a line, and this is the second group. Okay. Each group has a total of 51 cents. That means this is 51 cents. And this is 51 cents. It helps to draw out what they're telling us. There is at least 1 quarter in each group. That means there's at least 1 quarter in each group. There's at least 125 cents in each group. There's 125 here, and there's at least 125 cents here. What coins could she have? So now we're going to add more coins to group 1 to make 52 cents. I'm sorry, 51 cents. What other kinds of coins can I add to make 51 cents? There's many right answers. There's not one right answer. Dominic? Good. You can add another quarter and a penny. That's one good possible answer. Now here, let's write another good possible answer, not the same. So here, let's only use 1 quarter. What other coins can we use instead of a quarter to make 51 cents? Bernaya? Try. Give me any coin that's not a quarter. Okay, let's try that. 3 dimes, that's 25. A dime is 10 cents, so that's 25. And then this is 35. And this is 45. And then another 10 would be 55. That's too much, right?
I don't know how to subtract the coins.
So maybe we're not subtracting. You can only add. So maybe instead of adding 3 dimes, we can add 2 dimes. So if we add 2 dimes, like Bernaya said, now we have 25, 35, 45. What else can we add to make 51? Now we have 45. Rena, what else can we add? 1 nickel. Very good. And that's 50. Now what's the last cent, everybody? A penny. Good job. That would make 51 cents. So 25, 35, 45, 50, 51. Quarter, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 1 penny make 51 cents. 2 quarters and 1 penny also make 51 cents. They want to show you that both of these coins in both groups make the same value. Just because these are more coins, it does not mean that this is worth more money. Do you understand that? Maybe when you guys were little kids or little babies, your parents used to trick you and say, oh, do you want this or do you want this? And you would look at the one that looks like it's more because you don't know how much it's worth. And you'd say, oh, I want this, right? I bet some of your parents still try to trick you like that. They show you a whole bunch of dollars and they'll say, do you want 5 of these dollars? And they're just like $1, 5 $1 bills. Or do you want this? And it's like $1 $20 bill. And you'd probably say, ooh, I want the 5 because there's more bills, right? But that's not very smart because it's worth less. The 20 is worth more. Do you understand? With coins, it's the same way. Just because there's more coins, it doesn't mean that the value of those coins are more. You have to count them and see. Yes, Rena? Good. Rena says she practices at home by counting the money in her piggy bank. She has money in her piggy bank. Cool. All right, now you're going to do page 364 through 366 on your own. All right? Have fun learning. I'll see you later.